safety in Bangladesh. Thank you for coming. This is the month of victory in December 16, 1971. We earned victory on the sacrifice of 3 million martyrs. Father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman has been the most valuable inspiration for this whole nation till today. I convey my respect to him and his daughter, Honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, for her leadership in the line Bangabandhu always strive for. Anyway, first of all, I pay my respect to the soul of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, the father of the greatest Bengal nation of all time. I wish the soul of all the martyrs of Bangabandhu's family on 15 August 1975, including Bhagavata Fodukunasa. After successful completion of CNCRP, this BSPP project was formulated as a continuation of building safety program to achieve disaster resilient infrastructure in coherence with SDG goals related to sustainable cities and communities. Ministry of Housing and Public Works has taken several initiatives to enhance capacity and ensure safety of infrastructure, especially in densely populated urban regions. Recently, even sponsored Sustainable Development Solution Network SDSN has conferred Honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina with SDG Program Award, and this is an inspiration for us to our steady effort towards sustainability. In addition, Bangladesh Delta Plan 2100 also has the vision of the releasing vulnerability of natural disaster and building resilience is a true reflection of long-term comprehensive strategy of the government to eradicate poverty. Actually, Public Works Department has been working in line with the instruction of the Standing Order of Disaster to reduce the seismic vulnerability of buildings through such projects like ESPP, and I appreciate this effort and thanks to the government of Japan, of course, for their extended technical cooperation towards Bangladesh through JICA. From this BSPP project, we have gone through technical knowledge sharing regarding retrofit technology among professionals. Not only sharing about two implementation projects, we have developed expertise on the field as well. The building safety manual and retrofit schedule of rates as valuable assets and practitioners from other public and private sectors will be beneficiary of this term. The building inventory prepared by PW is a valuable resource to access the level and quantify the degree of vulnerability of those buildings and will help to prepare the action plan for making our establishment safe and resilient. I believe PW has the technical capacity of taking lead role to the facilitated total solution on safety of building structures. They should continue this great work with proper planning and Ministry of Housing and Public Works will appreciate it with all necessary resources and guidance. I believe our development partners will extend their hands further with our effort and this collaboration will be a role model for others also. Finally, I would like to thank all of you for giving your valuable time and attention towards the program. Thank you all.